Is your S&P day trade setup for today. So who would have known yesterday we got a pretty strong rally, bounced off an area of resistance. You can see I've got the level in right now. And yesterday, I mean, really was very unsure of what level we were going to choose. But I think clearly this zone, and I'm going to call it a zone for now, is what we need to pay attention to. So any break below this is going to trigger the downside moves. But right now, the trend is up, and we should be trading with the trend looking for longs. So at the moment, the interesting thing here is, we for basically 8.5% in 2 days, and then we rally almost 6% in a day and a bit. Pretty amazing, hey? Markets are easy. So what we have at the moment is we do have this breakthrough of 3089. I'd like to see a retest of that level, and possibly even a little bit further down around there at 3069. Ultimately, we should be looking for highs. Okay, so we're looking for longs, we're looking for new highs to be created, and any pullback is an opportunity to buy. So this is the area that I'm looking to buy in at the moment. And if we come to the hour, we may not get it. As you can see, it's been pretty strong on the hour. A little bit of sideways motion above the break here, probably a 1 hour bar retest of that after hours, and then we pumping to the top. There is a level of resistance just above us, so this is pretty much 3130. Okay, so I expect that to be tagged. That's fairly close. I'm not interested in chasing alongs just yet. I want to see a pullback. Okay, and I expect us to see some kind of a pullback during the European Open, pullback onto structure, and then we're going to have the opportunities to buy. And I think this is going to be a situation of scaling in longs, because as far as I'm concerned, that little one bar pullback there is nothing. We shouldn't be worried about that at all. The target for this is going to be, if not the all-time high, at least that gap close, and then possibly all-time high. I think that's pretty much what we're looking for. Yeah, I know it doesn't make sense. It's fundamentals don't support it, but that's exactly what's transpiring. Okay, so just going to finish off on the 15-minute here, because the 15-minute will probably offer the best opportunities. I'm just going to make sure I can't accidentally delete these levels, so I know exactly what we're doing today. And wait for the European Open. We're about half an hour away from the Open at the moment. Videos are late this morning. It is a public holiday in South Africa, and it's pretty cold. So being a bit lazy. Anyway, so we're looking for the pullback onto structure, and you can do this on the 15 as well. Just see exactly what is happening with price and look for the opportunity to get in. Okay, if it breaks this trend line, let's get this trend line in. So if it breaks this trend line here, okay, I'd want to see a retest of it. Not too sure I'd be looking for the shorts, to be honest. I'd rather wait at these levels for the longs. The move that we had yesterday is pretty solid. I mean, if you look at that, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green bars in a row. So that's a pretty strong trend. I'd rather wait for a pullback, and this area is the most logical one. So 3089, 3069, that's the area I'd like to see us pull back into. We may not do that. We may just go sideways as we did here and then break through. But regardless, whatever happens, I'm looking for a pullback or consolidation, and then we're looking to get on the market to continue to the upside. First target is this double bottom breakout, which probably going to be the top. Yeah. So first target is the previous high. So what I would do is just bring it down to this area here, 3217, take half my position off there, put a protective stop in, and see if we can get through this level. Okay, otherwise what you're going to see is the previous high being tested and then a bounce off, which may actually just form a big range. You never know. Okay, so that's kind of my view on the S&P. If you're still listening, give us a thumbs up. Really appreciate the support. We are trying to grow the channel, and stay safe. If you're anywhere where it's cold, stay warm, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.